our home for 7 days. Rixos The Palm, Dubai. Boom, baby.
That is the result when you say Dew Point is not expensive. I'd rather switch off my DSTV and my Netflix and other unnecessary stuff and switch on income. We all need real, reliable income. What if you don't have to sell anything? And what if you don't have to do the presentation yourself? This is 100% online. And the app, well, it does most of the work for you. Earn asset-based recurring passive income with crazy awards like luxury family holidays. This year it will be in Seychelles, luxury cars and cash rewards. Curious to know more? WhatsApp me 062 175 0825 and I'll share the free information with you how Dew Point can change your life as well.